There is a version of you that you must confront. A version of you that must be destroyed, not tomorrow, not someday, but today. Because that weaker version of you, the version filled with doubt, fear, procrastination, and excuses, is the greatest enemy of your destiny. This version of you has controlled your decisions, your reactions, your dreams, your confidence, your discipline, and even the way you see yourself. It is the voice that whispers, "You can't, you're not ready, you're not good enough, what if you fail?" But deep inside you, there is another voice, a powerful one, a courageous one, a version of you that wants to step into greatness. That stronger version of you is waiting, but it cannot rise until the weaker version dies. Today, we begin the destruction of that weaker self, not in anger, not in hate, but in purpose, clarity, and truth. Because the weaker version of you is built from your past disappointments, past failures, past rejections, past fears, past mistakes. You are not destroying yourself. You are destroying the chains that keep you from becoming who you are meant to be. Listen very carefully. Every strong version of you is born from discipline. Every great version of you is born from struggle. Every powerful version of you is born from choices, not feelings. Feelings are temporary. Discipline is destiny. Your weaker version wants comfort. Your stronger version wants growth. Your weaker version wants excuses. Your stronger version wants results. Your weaker version fears judgment. Your stronger version fears wasting time. Your weaker version avoids challenges. Your stronger version hunts them. If you continue feeding the weaker self, your life will stay the same. The same regrets, the same missed opportunities, the same excuses, the same cycles, the same pain. If you feed the stronger self, your life transforms. The question is, which version will you feed today? You destroy the weaker version of yourself by confronting your habits, because your habits are the foundation of your identity. If your habits are weak, you will feel weak. If your habits are strong, you will become strong. Think about it. A weak person is not someone without strength. A weak person is someone who refuses to get uncomfortable. But the strongest people you know became strong by doing the things they didn't want to do. You destroy the weaker you by waking up even when you feel tired. You destroy the weaker you by training even when your body wants rest. You destroy the weaker you by choosing focus even when distractions scream your name. You destroy the weaker you by saying no when temptation tells you to say yes. Every time you do the hard thing, you are killing the old self a little more. Every time you push through resistance, you are building the new self brick by brick. Every time you refuse to quit, you are proving that the stronger version of you has taken over. But destroying the weaker self is not a one-time event. It is a daily fight, a daily war, a daily decision. And some days, the weaker version will hit hard. It will tell you to quit. It will tell you to settle. It will tell you you're not improving. It will tell you you're wasting time. It will tell you nobody believes in you. But guess what? It doesn't matter who believes in you. It matters who you believe you can become. You must believe in the stronger version of yourself so deeply that quitting becomes impossible. Not because you never get tired, but because you know your purpose is bigger than your comfort. Comfort destroys potential. Comfort kills dreams. Comfort weakens the mind. Comfort keeps you average. Greatness demands pain. Greatness demands sacrifice. Greatness demands discipline. Greatness demands the death of the weaker you. If you want to transform your life, you must transform your identity. And your identity is shaped by the story you tell yourself every day. The weaker version of you says, "I can't. I'm scared. I'm not enough. I always fail. I will never change." The stronger version of you says, "I will. I must. I can. I deserve better. I choose growth. I choose strength. I choose discipline. I choose purpose. I choose the new me." You must decide which voice you will listen to. But understand this truth. The weaker version of you doesn't disappear because you want it to. It disappears because you replace it. You replace excuses with action. You replace doubt with belief. You replace fear with courage. You replace comfort with consistency. Every time you choose the harder path, the stronger version grows. Every time you choose discipline, the stronger version grows. Every time you keep going when others quit, the stronger version grows. Every time you silence negativity, the stronger version grows. Your transformation is not found in motivation. Motivation is a spark. Discipline is the fire. Destroying the weaker you means rising above feelings and mastering your mind, because the mind is the battlefield. If you win in your mind, you win in your life. You destroy the weaker version of yourself by changing your relationship with pain. Pain is not the enemy. Pain is the teacher. Pain is the builder. Pain is the refiner. Pain is the doorway to strength. You destroy the weaker self by embracing discomfort. Discomfort is not punishment. Discomfort is the birthplace of evolution. You destroy the weaker self by building resilience. Resilience is not avoiding struggle. Resilience is growing through struggle. Look at your life. Everything you want, confidence, success, discipline, peace, strength, is on the other side of consistent hard work. The weaker version of you wants quick results. The stronger version of you is committed to the long journey. The weaker version gives up when results don't show immediately. The stronger version stays patient because it knows that transformation is slow but unstoppable. The weaker version is driven by comparison. The stronger version is driven by purpose. The weaker version is controlled by emotions. The stronger version is guided by principles. Today, decide. No more negotiating with your weaker self. No more listening to its excuses. No more believing its lies. No more feeding its fears. Instead, feed the warrior within you. Feed the disciplined you. Feed the courageous you. Feed the unstoppable you. Ask yourself, what does the strongest version of me look like? What does the strongest version of me think? What does the strongest version of me tolerate? What does the strongest version of me chase? What does the strongest version of me sacrifice? Now start acting like that version. Talk like that version. Walk like that version. Wake up like that version. Work like that version. Believe like that version. Because the moment your actions match your destiny, the weaker version of you will fade away. You are not here to live a small life. You are not here to be average. You are not here to stay stuck in cycles. You are not here to be controlled by fear. You are not here to play small. You are here to evolve. You are here to rise. You are here to become unstoppable. And unstoppable people are not born. They are built, constructed, forged in discomfort, strengthened by discipline, shaped by sacrifice, created through courage. So today, right now, make a declaration. The weaker version of me is dead. The stronger version of me has taken over. I rise now. I grow now. I fight now. I am unstoppable. And from this moment on, let every action you take prove those words true. Because your future depends on which version of you survives. Destroy the weaker version of yourself and become the unstoppable force you were created to be. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel.